the heck,
3,
man? You're
3,
cheating.
2,
Hey, I'm gonna get out.
1.
I'm gonna.
Hey guys, Herbert here, now with Kyle Rockets, Ronnie 14, and Ren.
What the heck, man? I just started the video
I
like
just started the
five
video. I'm
minutes.
sorry.
So it's
It's not
starting.
my
No,
fault.
Playing the wall.
We're playing
yay,
the
I'm with
wall.
Herbert.
What the heck?
And
What
why
the
am I
heck?
trapped
What the
here?
heck?
Help!
What the heck?
Help
I'm in the
guys!
say. I'm in
Give
the
me
say.
gravel
I'm in the
guys!
Saiyan team.
Help! Guys,
Use
You're
that.
freaking kidding.
yes, thank you.
So guys, as you can see, this is a hard game for me because
No!
three of them are in the same team. What the heck, man? That's cheating, man.
Don't you like that?
I might hide. No, I don't like that.
Why
It
don't you
it
like
may be
that?
funny for the viewers, but it's not funny to me, man. It's freaking ridiculous. At the same time, my laptop is lagging. Screw
Funny is
this
the same as
laptop.
ridiculous.
What the heck? What the heck? What the heck is
There will be
happening?
no problem.
The heck?
The farm is gone.
I told you so. Yes. Boosh. What? Lag.
Freaking
Okay,
lag.
so I'm back. I told you so. Geo, what the heck? Oh my god, this freaking lag is making me freaking lag. What? This freaking lag is making me freaking lag. So, yeah. So, what's my strategy in this game? I'm gonna hide. What's that stone doing here? I'm gonna hide underground and let them come to me and I will kill them
Ta-da!
instantly. One by one. So guys, that's my strategy. I'm gonna blow their.
You should have not created crafting table.
Oh yes, yes. This is gonna be an easy win for me because you're freaking retarded. All of you, you're
Hey,
retarded.
you. Fuck you.
Same to you.
No,
You're more retarded.
you're all retarded.
Fuck you.
You're all retarded, man.
You're noob.
This is a hard game for me, guys. As you can see, Francis is three of them against one. Wow.
You're pro.
Ah, at least, oh yes, white team. At least somebody I should kill. At least somebody is going to the white team. If
So
you're
as you can
against,
see guys,
no, I don't.
I'm playing DCC. Just a piece of cake.
What? Oh, it's not piece of cake, man. It's piece of crap. This is not good, man. You can see three of you are against one of
If you
me.
are watching this video in my channel, you would see 0% lag in my video. No, that's joking.
Oh,
It's
so
70%.
so that means you're telling them that my laptop is lagging than yours? Screw you, Gio. Screw you.
That's near.
I'll
big
kill you.
Near. It's near to your mini.
Yes. Yeah, I bake my own bread, not like you. You don't have any bread. That's why you're poor. You went from freaking cowboys
I
who
got a
doesn't
cake.
know how to. What?
I got a
You
cake.
don't have any cake.
I got a cake.
Horrendous MCs.
Trust me.
This sucks. This game doesn't. What the heck?
Holy shit!
What's
What happened?
Oh,
What
damn!
happened? Did Francis died?
No.
Oh, I thought you died.
You.
I thought you died.
Screw you, Kyle.
Well, better
Better luck
better
next time.
receive than to get. Yeah, better luck next time because I'm gonna win this. Boosh!
You're
I'm
gonna
the best.
by losing.
No, I'm not gonna lose, man.
I don't care, bitch.
Boosh! I'm
Kyle
gonna
has
win
a
this.
70% chance to win because of Herbert. Am I right?
70% chance because of you. Thank you very much, man.
Yes.
I support your
With
English.
the
Bro.
help of mine.
So yeah,
With the help of mine.
Ren
my
is
sword.
not talking, Gio. Come on, let him talk or speak. Just let him speak, Gio. What kind of a hell? What kind of brother are you?
Good.
You're
I
a
don't
Nick.
know why. I don't know why he's
You
not
don't let.
speaking.
Oh, Ren,
Getting
speak now
serious.
or forever hold your peace. This is not a marriage, but still, speak now or forever hold your peace. What the heck? Magkana yung pagwat. I don't know that song.
You don't
Come on,
know, then you
Gio.
sing it.
I don't know who sang that song. Is
Your
it sang or sung? That song.
Your mom.
Yes! Push! Yeah, Saiyan team. Yeah. Saiyan team. Yeah. Another teammate who's gonna defeat you. Asses. Yeah. He's gonna defeat your asses, by the way. What the heck? He left the game.
Haha.
Good luck, King.
Nothing's
Oh
gonna stop
crap.
us now.
Gio, how
And
many,
we build this
Gio,
thing
how many
together.
iron do you have?
Huh?
How many iron do you have?
3.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Nice. Gio, nice. Nice
Oh,
going, buddy.
How many iron for full iron plus sword?
What?
Kyle can solve that problem. Kyle.
Oh, what's the problem?
9 plus 8. No, 8. Wala pa. Lava.
Yes!
No.
Yes, at least one of the problems was solved.
No. No.
How did
No.
Yes! Yes! Hallelujah!
How did you get?
Hallelujah! Push! I win again. Yes! If you're
Guys,
the type of who doesn't know how to play
the new
Minecraft,
episode of Spawn.
you're making a new episode just because you lost, man.
Yeah?
Wow.
That's right.
So
Oh, fuck!
yes!
Fuck that!
Okay,
And
Red
we
Red.
have a new player
Yes.
with the Spawn. Welcome to the first episode of Spawn with Francis 14. Deadlock.
I'd rather watch PewDiePie's video more than that video. It's kind of funny, but yeah, I know it hurts.
I was
Gee.
getting a lot
Welcome
on
to
the
this
water.
mini game called Dancing Deadlock. Dance, 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 dance.
Dancing deadlocks, man.
Francis dancing.
You're making me, man. It's kind of funny.
Francis is doing wrecking ball.
What? What is he? Is he? I want to die. I want to see Francis do the
And
wrecking
we
ball.
have a new player here
There's
named Crystal
fans.
Ranger.
I have so many fans.
What?
You're
Hey,
having party in
type,
here.
type no, type
Not
no,
other than
no.
Kyle.
Come on, man. No. Hey, type. Hey, Ren, type /no. I mean, like the asterisk.
No, it's
Come,
hashtag
no.
no. Hashtag no.
Hashtag I win. I mean, I
No.
won. Fair
It's
and square.
hashtag
Push.
spawn party with Francis 14 and Deadlock
Hashtag Kyle
50.
Reyes is the best in the world. I'm
So,
just kidding.
guys,
Hey, after this The Walls gameplay, we should play Hunger Games, as you can see. What the heck? He drowned? What the heck?
Huh.
You're freaking... Ha! He drowned. Wow.
yeah, when you
I can
play
win this
here,
action.
Name S65620 505556 and with Deadlocks
What?
and DJ Bear 03.
Yes, I'm working.
Ha! Sticky keys, yeah. Sticky keys. Sticky keys. General sticky keys. What the heck? Hey, type vote no. He's gonna hack, man. Vote no. Sticky keys. Sticky keys. Sticky keys. Sticky keys. What the heck, Francis? There's no
Hashtag
command like that, man. Yeah. At least there's a chance that I would win this game because I have a freaking teammate. Yes, but at least I won. Yeah, fair and square. The walls, yes. The walls too. Is this the walls too? I think so.
Yep.
What
And
the heck, man?
welcome for a new
Use
game
that.
again called Running in Circles in the Spawn.
Wow. So dreamy. So realistic.
Mhm.
Sticky keys. Sticky keys. Sticky keys. Sticky keys. Turn around, sticky keys, show them what you got. Sticky keys. Sticky keys. Sticky keys.
guys.
Sticky keys.
I think it's time to end this video because I cannot wait for Kyle anymore. You'll just get bored in
Yes.
watching me then watching
If I
me
were
run
you, I
in
should
circles
pause the video.
and 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 dance
No,
like and
just
twerk.
tell the viewers to pause the video, man. That's so easy.
No.
Just tell them to pause the
Well,
video.
guys, you can play the Wolf 2 in the server. Check out the IP in the description below. And don't forget to like and
He ended the
subscribe.
freaking video.
Bye.